Care Analytics is revolutionizing the way companies use, monitor, manage, and maximize their investment in Microsoft Teams, AV environments, and IP-based devices, ensuring a seamless experience for both your IT department and your end users. This intuitive dashboard takes just minutes to install, is completely secure, and provides real-time data and insights into how your people are using their video collaboration technology, helping you identify areas where you can improve productivity and, ultimately, your bottom line. Here are just some of the key benefits. It's a multi-vendor solution, which means you can choose the video hardware platforms that suit your business best, whilst having one platform to monitor them all. No longer locked into one vendor's ecosystem. It allows you to monitor and manage all Microsoft Teams certified devices, including MTRs, phones, cameras, microphones, and control panels. This enables proactive maintenance, swift troubleshooting, and consistent performance across all devices. Remote device management is made simple, thanks to secure remote connections. Care Analytics allows you to create a secure tunnel into a remote network to manage a device. No VPNs or firewall changes required. Our partners are already seeing up to a 60% reduction in on-site visits since using this feature. It reduces downtime and enhances the productivity of your team. It also simplifies administration and improves the user experience, ensuring high-quality, reliable, and efficient communication across your organization. Care Analytics provides advanced call metrics from both Microsoft Teams and your devices, including call and network quality data and usage insights. This is especially helpful for redeploying systems or planning migration projects. This holistic view allows you to identify and address issues across your communication stack, ensuring high-quality internal and external interactions, and delivering a better user experience across traditional VC environments and Microsoft Teams. It also offers proactive alerting on device health and registration status, helping you stay one step ahead of potential issues before they impact your business. Asset management is another area where Care Analytics adds real value. You can assign devices to specific physical locations by office, floor, and room, and upload or link to support documentation relevant to those spaces. You can even add photos to rooms and offices to make identification and support even easier. Manufacturer portal integrations are supported too, including direct integrations with Neat and Cisco Microsoft Teams Rooms devices. As part of a growing shift towards smarter workplaces, Care Analytics supports smart building features such as live wallboards and door panels, showing your office floor plans and real-time meeting room usage. You can automate your meeting room usage with automatic removal of no-show meetings and auto bookings for ad hoc ones. It integrates with calendars to show free or busy status and organizer data, and even supports environmental sensors giving you live data on occupancy, temperature, humidity, CO2 levels, and VOX. Routine tasks can be automated and scheduled, ensuring updates are done consistently and on time, freeing your IT team to focus on strategic priorities. You don't need any software or on-premises deployment to get up and running. Care Analytics is hosted securely via Amazon Web Services in the EU, ensuring GDPR compliance, and we're happy to share a security white paper with you from the outset. We offer a free 30-day trial so you can see the benefits for yourself, commitment-free. And we'll support you throughout the deployment and trial to help you get the most from the platform. We also offer regular live demonstrations with opportunities for Q&A, so you can see the dashboard in action and ask any questions you might have. You'll find out how to book a live demo at the end of this video. We'd love to show you the platform in action.